Switch access allows students and adults with limited mobility the opportunity to participate in meaningful and engaging activities, just like their peers. Today, we're going to showcase how to use switches to incorporate cooking into your classroom routine. We are going to use one of my personal favorite devices, the Powerlink, as well as a single switch and a blender to make something extra special. Alright, so for our demo today, we're going to begin by starting up the Powerlink. There's a switch on the back of it, and plugging in our single switch device. Alright, and I just want to quickly go through three of the modes that are most common with the Powerlink. First is direct mode. In direct mode, the student presses the switch. When they let go, the device turns off. The second mode is latch. In this mode, the student can press the switch and the device will stay on until the student presses the switch again to turn it off. Finally is timed second mode. In this mode, you're able to set the duration up to 60 seconds or 1 minute that the device will remain on, whether the student presses it once or twice. And when the device is turned on, that device will run until that timer goes off, and it will cut the circuit and the device will then turn off. All right, so with that, we're going to move on to showing you how this works with a blender. All right, so here we are. We have our blender connected to our Powerlink 4 and our single switch. We can test it out. So there's our direct setting, latch, and there's our time setting. So 5 seconds, and it should shut off. So we'll put in our cream, throw in a couple strawberries, add our lid, and there you go. Single switch access and a Powerlink to make cooking more accessible.